Um, Hello, everyone. Well, I'm sorry for the technical problem with my computer. So today I'm recording the two lectures. Actually, my plan for this week is finishing chapter 2. Well, if I remember correctly, last time we stopped at exercise 3. So today we're going to do exercise 4. We're going to check the answers for exercise 4. Well, in this exercise, you are asked to explain the meanings of the following 10 words. The first word is anthrotomy. Anthrotomy is made up of two parts. Anthro is a combining form meaning joint. Tomy means surgical incision. So this whole word means surgical incision into joint. The second word is angiography. This word is also composed of two parts. Angio, the combining form, meaning vessel, a blood vessel. Graphy means a process of recording, that is X-ray image. So the whole word means a process of X-ray image of vessel or blood vessel. The third word is gastrectomy. It's also made up of two parts. Gastro is a combining form for stomach. Ectomy means surgical removal. So in this word, the combining vowel is omitted because the suffix begins with a vowel. This word means surgical removal of a stomach. The fourth one, neuroplasty. Neuro means nerve. Plasty means surgical repair. So this word means surgical repair of nerve. The fifth one is arthrocentesis. The first part, combining form arthro, means joint. Centesis means surgical puncture. So this word means surgical puncture into joint. Next. This is a long word, the sixth one. Electroencephalogram. This long word is composed of three parts. Electro is one combining form meaning activity, electricity. Encephalo is another combining form meaning brain. And when the two combining forms join together, the combining vowel in the first combining form is not omitted. And the last one, gram, is a suffix meaning record or image. So this whole word means record of electrical activity of brain. The seventh one, this is a typo. It should be a rhinoscope. The definition is correct, a rhinoscope. So this word means, rhino means nose, scope means instrument to view. This word means instrument to view into nose, this is the wrong spelling that is in your textbook. It is, rhinoscope. The eighth one, biopsy. The combining form, bio means life. Psi means a process of viewing. So this word means a process of viewing living tissue. The ninth one, electromyograph. You can see this word is composed of three parts. Electro is a combining form, meaning electricity. Myo is another combining form, meaning muscle. Graph means instrument to record. So this word means instrument to record electrical activity of muscle. The last one, enteroscopy, is also made up of two parts. Entero is a combining form meaning small intestine. Scopy is a suffix meaning process of viewing. So this whole word means process of viewing into small intestine. Well, I hope when you wrote the definitions, you gave the correct definitions. Well, let's move on to group 3, non-suffixes. Well, there are some non-suffixes you are familiar with before you study this course. The first one is ER. As you can see, ER is always, put after a verb. It means someone or something that does something, the doer. So the first word is a radiographer. Radiographer, radio means X-ray. So this word means a person who takes X-ray images. That is a technician who takes X-ray images, usually of internal structure of the body. The second word, researcher. Researcher. So it means a person who does research. The second noun suffix is ear. Ear just means condition, especially abnormal condition. The first word is neuralgia. You have seen this word. Neuro means nerve. It's a combining form. Algia, we know it is a suffix meaning pain. So this suffix is a compound suffix, which means it is made up 2 parts. So we just put this together. Algia just means painful condition. So this word means painful condition of nerves. Next one is megalocardia. Megalocardia. Well, megalo is a combining form meaning large, very big. Cardia means heart condition, right? So this word means a condition of abnormally large heart. And this condition is congenital, which means the condition exists at birth. It's not an acquired condition. Next is, so you can find this definition on my PPT. Megalocardia, condition of abnormally large heart. Well, next, the third non-suffix suffix is iatry or altrix. It means treatment. The first example is psychiatry. Psycho means mind. So this word means treatment of mental diseases. Next is pediatrics. Pediatrics, the definition should be here. Pedo is a combining form meaning child. So it means treatment of children's diseases. And well, just for your information, pedo, besides meaning child, it can also mean foot. Yeah, foot. Let's come to the fourth suffix. It's ian or xian. It also means specialist, expert. So a lot of medical terms end with xian. The first example is a pediatrician. Pediatrician, so it means specialist in treating children's illness, children's diseases. Next word is a physician. Well, physician means, a specialist in treating diseases with drugs, right? Instead of surgical methods. So you can also say doctor of internal medicine. Next one is ism. Ism means condition of. The first word is mutism. Mutism, mute, M-U-T-E, means silent, not talking. So mutism means condition of being mute. Well, it reminds me of a very popular American sitcom, The Big Bang Theory. One guy in this sitcom is called Raj, an Indian guy. And his friends joke that he has selective mutism because he cannot talk in front of women, especially pretty women. So it's called selective mutism. Next is embolism. Well, embolism here, embol means you know, the clot, especially blood clotting. So it means a condition of the blockage of vessel. Well, here is this a blood vessel, and this is a embolus. Embolus. So there's a blood clot in the vessel. The consequence of this condition is what? The blood cannot flow smoothly through the vessel. Well, let's come to next, ist. Well, ist means specialist. So the first word is dentist. Dentist means specialist in the study of teeth. And pharmacist. Pharmacist in British English, you can also call the person chemist, right? And American English, it's a druggist. So it's a person who prepares and makes up a prescription by a doctor. Yeah, that is a person who works in the pharmacy to make up prescription. Next is logy. We learned it already. It means the study of or the science of. The first word is psychology. You know, psycho means mind. So this word means study of the mind. And next is biology. Bio means life. So biology means a study of life, study of living things. Next is cis. Cis also means condition. Synthesis. Well, here, you know, it's a word, right, instead of a suffix. Or if it is a suffix, we say it is a compound suffix. Yeah, because it is made of two parts. One is a scent, the other is a cis. So we know synthesis means a condition of surgical puncture. Next word is genesis. Genesis just means production or formation, yeah, of, you know, of a certain state, yeah. And usually it is, you know, it follows combining form. The last one is means structure or a tissue. And a word containing usually is an anatomical term. For example, the first word is cardium. You know, cardio means heart. Cardium also means heart. It's a word. So the difference between cardium and heart is just an ordinary English word. Well, cardium is a technical term, a medical term, especially used in talking about anatomy. So it means heart. And the next one is osteum. Yeah, osteum, you know, osteo means a bone. So osteum also means bone. It's a word. This word is used in anatomy. Do you remember there's another word that ends with we learned it in chapter 1, ileum, right? Ileum means small intestine, yeah? So, before we do exercise 5, let's go over a list of suffixes referring to medical specialists. So some specialists end with IST. So let me go over them one by one. Let's talk about them from left to right, line by line. Allergist means a specialist, right, in allergy, in treating allergy. And anesthesiologist means a specialist in, performing anesthesia, right, during operation. Cardiologist means a specialist in treating heart diseases. Dermatologist, dermal means skin, so it's a specialist in treating skin diseases. Endocrinologist means a specialist in treating diseases of the endocrine system, hormone diseases. And the gynecologist means specialist in treating women's diseases. Next one is a hematologist. Hemato, remember, hemato means blood. So this word means specialist in treating blood diseases. And the next one is internist. Internist just means specialist in treating diseases of internal medicine, right? Or you can also say a physician. Yeah, internist is a physician, a specialist of internal medicine. Next one is neurologist. It means a specialist in treating diseases of the nervous system. And oncologist, onco means a tumor. So oncologist means a specialist in treating tumors or cancers. Next one is ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist means eye doctor or doctor, a specialist in treating eye diseases. And otolaryngologist. Otolaryngologist, auto means ear, laryngo means throat. So it means a specialist in treating diseases of the ear and throat. Pathologist. Patho means disease. So pathologist means specialist, studying diseases. And the next is a psychiatrist. Psychiatrist means a specialist in treating mental diseases. And the next one is a pulmonologist. Pulmonal is a combining form, meaning a lung. So it means a specialist in treating lung diseases. Next one is a radiologist. It means a technician in performing X-ray examination. And the last one is a urologist. It means a specialist in treating diseases of the urinary system. Now here we have another group. The words end with "shen," so it's also specialist. So obstetrician means doctor or specialist in treating or in child delivery of babies. Next one is also pediatrician, also means straighten. So this word just means a bone doctor, bone surgeon. Yeah, a surgeon specializing in treating bone diseases. Next one is pediatrician. This is the word we just saw in our textbook. It means a doctor, specialist in treating children's illnesses. And the last one is a psychiatrician. Psychiatry. Let's see. I think this is here's a typo. Yeah, let's just skip this. Okay, we'll stop here for a while. I'm going to do recording, in next part.